Green. I'm going to be doing a cycle from here to Carlisle, taking in some of the local sites, a couple of things that I've picked up, a few books that I've read, so I'm going to get heading. This was the first thing I wanted to see today. It's the memorial for the Quinton's Hill rail disaster. 214 officers and soldiers of the Royal Scots who died in the Quinton's Hill rail disaster, 22nd of May 1915. And on the route that I'm going to be taking today, I'll pass the site of the crash. At this point we're still in Scotland, not too far from the border though, and most of the border follows from here anyway, the River Sark. So we're going to go and have a wee look at that, but before it cuts off, follows the River Esk. And for some reason, lost many years ago, I don't know why they would come to this decision, but they decided to move it to the Sark, and to make the border they built a dike, which was one of the largest man-made constructions since Hadrian's Wall, I think, in the area. And it was a huge dike that was to mark the boundary between the Sark and Esk and Scotland and England. So I'm going to go and try and have a look at that as well. This is a border between Scotland and England. At the moment I'm in Scotland. And now I'm in England. Scotland, England. Ahead on the right, there's a long strip of trees, and those trees are planted along the line of the Scots Dike. So that line of trees there, that marks the border, straight line over to the River Esk. All excavated by hand at the time, the ditch. Massive program Grand walk. Completely bonkers. So behind me there is the Scots Dike. It runs for about 3.5 miles. It runs between the River Esk and the River Sark. And this is the boundary between Scotland and England. It was constructed in 1552 to provide a clear, definitive line between the two countries. Why the rivers weren't used, I don't know. Because it cuts off the River Esk. It could easily have, it's a more natural border as far as I'm concerned. You can go in and have a look around, but it's not, apparently it's not very easy to traverse. Very overgrown, lots of brambles, and you can see how thick it is just looking from here. So maybe on a nicer day I would try and have a pot around. We're on the Scottish side here, so you've got the Land Reform Act, you can use that to your advantage. But I'm going to get heading back down towards Carlisle. Forecast was for 20% chance of light rain, mainly cloud with a bit of light rain. It's been constant drizzle and I am soaking. Thanks. It's made obvious. Nothing to see here. Well, this path, or this road, is signposted as Route 7, which is much more comfortable than the A7. So we'll go down here for a little bit, turn off, and it looks as if we'll go cross country for a bit, so that'll be interesting. See how we find that.
I don't care what's the
thing that has struck me since crossing over the border is just the amount of keep out signs. No right of way, keep out, visitors by appointment only. A stretch of woodland beside me, both sides, a high fence. Once upon a time when I breezed this. Good grief. Any slower it'll go backwards. Protected area. Yeah. Where all the vans come to die. me arrived in Carlisle. Can't tell you how many miles I've done because the Strava packed in somewhere, so you're not to log anything. So anyway, I'm here. I enjoyed that one. That was mostly on National Cycle Network Route 7. I'm just at the back of Carlisle Castle at Bits Park. So I'm going to go and grab something to eat and then find out when the train is. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you the next time.